We've got a Haas Ec 400 over here. We are looking to sell it. It's got a 12,000 RPM spindle, 1,000 inch per minute rapids, and an indexing fourth axis. We've used it in here only to cut aluminum. So I'm going to spin it up to 8,000 and then stop it, and then spin it up to 10 and spin it up to 12. And that's the spindle. And then I'll do a tool change here. I'll get another one in there. All right, so I'm going to do a pallet change here. Couldn't figure out how to disable the door code. Good. Here's the x-axis at full rapid. Y-axis full rapid up and down right now. So now I'm going to run the Z-axis at full speed, 10 inches back and forth. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the A-axis, a few different lifts, rotates, and set down, and then it'll rapid back to 0.